Good morning, here I am this morning, looking like hell. Welcome back all. What we're going to do today is just basically, we've got more friends coming up this weekend, so we're going to take the boat out for a little jaunt again. So all we're doing is a few little jobs to get it ready because it's a bit grubby after the winter, so jet washing, that type of thing. Anyway, I'll let you see what Lee's up to. That looks much better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, not perfect, but it's a lot cleaner. And we actually bumped into Ian Kinney, who is the owner of Swan Boats here. We love Swan Boat Builders; they're amazing. Love to see them win Crick this year. So we just had a good old chat with him. So yeah, first time, a little bit embarrassed him seeing the boat, but anyway, it's not going to compare to their boats, is it? So anyway, that's it for today. We're off out on it tomorrow with some friends, so we'll see you next time. Bye for now.